Batman, why hasn't Robin been in your movies in a while?
That's a really good fucking question.
Oh my god.
Fuck you, bitch. Why did you leave me?
Shut up, I don't know who you are.
That's why your parents are dead. Fucking dead as hell, in the grave rotting.
I'm not fucking Batman, you stupid retards.
Well, you can't blame us, dude. You haven't really told us much about yourself.
I told you, I'm from the back rooms.
What's the back rooms?
It's where his parents were killed.
No, it isn't.
It totally is.
You will regret making fun of the back rooms, boy. Your soul will scream but no one will hear. Your tears will be wet but none will see.
Wow, you need some bitches.
On God, that nigga definitely doesn't get any bitches.
Shut up, I get plenty of bitches.
No you don't.
Yes I do.
Prove it then, bitch.
I don't have to prove shit.